We are at the Lux Appliance Studio where we showcase all our Thermador products. One of the big trends that we're noticing is that during the pandemic, a lot of people were spending a lot of time doing a lot of home baking. So that's definitely something that's followed through into 2022. We're gonna see a lot of people making their own pita breads and lavash, and bagels I think is a really big one as well. Making bagels is really simple, and you probably already have all the ingredients at home already. It's basically just using bread flour, some yeast, some salt, sugar, and plain old water. With our ball of dough now, you want to cut it into 4 or 6 pieces depending on how big you want your bagels. Pinch it at the bottom, and then on your cutting board, just shape it into a little ball of dough. And to make the bagel itself, you would just take your finger and poke it right through your ball of dough here. And that's how you make the little hole in the bagel. And the next step now is that we want to put them in the steam oven for about 10 minutes. And that's how you're gonna end up with that glossy, chewy texture on the bagels. This is the final result. So you'll see they've already developed that glossy, chewy texture on them. And I've got my favorite, which is the everything bagel seasoning. So we can just sprinkle that on top. And these will go into the oven to finish at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And there are our finished bagels. Look how beautiful those look. In 2022, one of the biggest trends we're going to see is that people are going to really embrace steam cooking. It's a healthier way of eating, and it's a much easier and faster way of cooking your food as well. We can just slide this tray right into the oven. Steaming doesn't always have to mean soggy foods either, as the Thermador Steam Convection Oven comes with a convection portion of the oven as well as a broiler, so you're able to brown your foods as you're steaming them to give them some crispness and texture and some color on them as well. The Thermador Steam Convection Oven also features 3 telescopic racks, which makes it super easy to slide your trays of food in and out of the oven. Another trend that we're noticing, we're seeing a lot of focus going back into sustainability, and there's a new term that's come out called reducitarian. So these are people who are reducing the amount of meat that they eat. So to make our vegetables more flavorful, we're also going to see a lot more use of big umami flavors, things like mushrooms and miso and parmesan. Today we're going to be doing a miso chili crisp. Fresh garlic, some fresh ginger, some chili flakes, and some Korean chili powder. And what we're gonna do is we're going to heat up some neutral oil. So I have some vegetable oil here. One of the most fun features of this cooktop is that we can actually set the pot of oil to exactly 350 degrees using this wireless cooking sensor, which uses Bluetooth to talk to the cooktop. So it will actually heat the pot of oil up to an exact temperature that I tell it to. So the hot oil goes into our garlic and chili flakes and ginger, and then we can stir in our miso paste and sesame oil. And that's about as much flavor as you can put into one single bowl of condiment. Having a Thermador Convection Steam Oven not only makes your kitchen look beautiful and modern, but also really helps to make your life easier. If you're thinking about doing a kitchen renovation and you're looking for new appliances, there's definitely a lot for you to think about.